Hey guys, alright, so let's get into this review. I am going to be reviewing Outre WigPop, and this is in Jasmiyah. I have her in the shade 1B, and she's 20 inches. Baby, look at Miss Mama's on this stock card. Ooh, I've always wanted me a bang unit that, I have some other bang units, but I wanted something that gives a little bit of fair faucet. So let's go ahead and install this. Okay, this is what she looks like. A little curl action going on. Some bangs. Let me cut this actual. Now, let me show you guys the construction on the inside of it. So you have 1, 2, 3 clips, 2 on the side and this one in the back. You have the adjustable straps. You can never go wrong with those. Okay, so she does have a little bit of, look like a little skin-like topping. There is no lace, anything, and this is honestly a full calf wig. So literally, hopefully this will be like a throw on and go. Okay, let's put her on. Ooh, okay. Oh, all right. Ooh, this is very light. Okay, hold on. Let me get these bangs together. I usually like to finger comb them around before I go in with my comb. Let me shoot this. This is very much big head friendly. I have my hair literally braided into like a little fun bun in the back, and for it to do kind of fit this. Okay, let me go in with this comb. Let me slide this back. Okay. Oh, okay. All right. All right. Okay, now wait a minute now. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Girl. Okay. Okay. I like the bang. This is cute. This is cute. Okay, let me bring her all the way up to the front so y'all can get all her yumminess. Okay. This is cute. Now, hold on now. Okay. That's one thing I will say. When you have a synthetic unit, you have to know how to literally finesse it with curls and everything like that. It's best to kind of like go through and finger comb it. If the finger combing is not doing anything, then you kind of go in with your comb. These curls are everything. They're very soft. This hair is so soft. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so soft. This is so, you know what? See, me and this one right here and this one over here, we getting ready to scrap because they know better. These girls know better. Don't start none, won't be none. This is too cute. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to put this on this summer and wear this out to a little brunch or a little shindig. Girl, if you don't get your life, like, ooh, baby, she is giving. Put my earrings on, my little bamboozis. Girl, this wig is too cute. Oh my gosh, this is such a cute wig. Girl, Now, y'all know, if y'all have been watching my channel, y'all know, like, me and Outre, we just always click. Like, we click, we understand the assignment together. They have not, I mean, from the HD units to this, like, girl, I mean, me and sis look up, girl, this unit is so pretty. And I think, like, even if you want to swap it up, you know what, let's try some hairstyles with this. Let's try some hairstyles with this. Okay, so girl, you can style this unit in so many different ways. This, Outre has done it again. They have definitely done it again. I like wearing it like this. I like wearing it with the bang. I like it coming over like this, really flirty. I like it with it up. I mean, literally, I cannot wait to throw this on this summer to go out for brunch. The curls are giving. This does take heat up to 400 degrees. You can't beat that. Hop on and go. And girl, let me tell you, this wig literally was only $20. Now, y'all know those other units I've done with my other wigs, they're on up there in price, but literally $20. Girl, I mean, what's good? You cannot beat that. You literally cannot beat this. Look at this. Let me show you guys the back. Here's the back. And like I said, this is big head friendly. I have my hair braided into like some cornrows into a bun. And this, hands down, this gets a 10. I'm not even gonna hold you. This gets a straight up 10. Literally pulling it out of the box and just going like, girl, this is it. This is it. Outre, I mean, at this point, as much hype as I give Outre, I mean, you know, y'all can sponsor your girl too, you know. I ordered this from Ebonyline. You guys know Ebonyline is one of my favorite stores to order from. They never disappoint. Literally, I ordered it and got it within about 2-3 days. So all good things to say about that with Ebonyline. This, girl, I'm satisfied. I'm satisfied. This is definitely, you all will be seeing Sister Girl many more times. All right, so that is the tea on this. If you have any questions, anything like that, leave it down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, as always, bye guys.